To use the new pinch to zoom feature on YouTube, start by opening the YouTube app on your device. Make sure your device is updated to the latest operating system and the YouTube app is updated to the latest version. Open any video you want to watch and start playing it. Place 2 fingers on the screen and move them apart to zoom in on a specific part of the video. Move your fingers closer together to zoom out. You can also move your fingers up or down to pan across the video while zoomed in. The pinch to zoom feature works on both horizontal and vertical videos. When watching a vertical video, you can zoom in on a specific part of the video and then move your fingers up or down to pan across the video. When watching a horizontal video, you can zoom in and then move your fingers left or right to pan across the video. To reset the zoom, simply double tap on the screen with one finger. This will return the video to its original size and position. You can also use the pinch to zoom feature in combination with other YouTube features such as playback speed and picture-in-picture mode. To get the most out of the pinch to zoom feature, make sure you are using a device with a touchscreen and a compatible operating system. The feature works best on devices with high-resolution screens and multi-touch capabilities. By following these steps, you can use the new pinch to zoom feature on YouTube to enhance your video watching experience. This feature is especially useful when watching videos with small text or fine details, as it allows you to zoom in and get a closer look.